In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up or log in and create your first form with scoring on Tally.so. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking for a refresher, I'll guide you every step of the way. So let's jump right in. First, you'll want to head over to Tally.so. If you haven't yet created an account, you'll need to go through a simple sign up process. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your new account. For those of you who already have an account, just log in with your existing details. Remember, having an account ensures that all your forms and results are stored securely and can be accessed anytime. Once you're logged in, it's time to start your journey by creating a new form. Begin by clicking on the plus new form button. At this point, Tally.so gives you the flexibility to choose how you'd like to proceed. If you have a clear idea in mind and prefer starting from scratch, opt for a blank form. Alternatively, if you're looking to save some time and perhaps get inspiration, choose from a variety of ready-made templates that cater to different needs. Now, let's add some questions to your form. Look for the Add Question option, where you'll be presented with multiple question types. You can choose from multiple choice, drop-down, short answer, or long answer questions. Multiple choice and drop-down options allow you to guide your respondents through predefined answers. It's particularly handy if you need clear, structured responses. For more open-ended feedback, short and long answer questions provide respondents with the space to elaborate. If your form involves scoring, such as a quiz or evaluation, assigning points to each answer is crucial. By doing so, you're able to calculate scores upon form submission. For multiple choice or drop-down questions, make sure to allocate the points accordingly to each answer option. Setting these up effectively ensures a smoother evaluation process later on. Next, you'll need to enable scoring for your form. Navigate to the form settings, then look for the scoring section. Here's where you assign specific scores to each answer. It's a straightforward method to ensure that responses are evaluated according to your criteria. Additionally, you can specify the maximum points for the entire assessment, giving you a benchmark for performance. Once everything's set up, it's time to share your form and start collecting responses. Click the Share button to access your form link. You can distribute this link through various channels, whether it's via email, on social media, or even embedding it directly onto your website. To keep track of how your respondents are doing, utilize Tally.so's built-in analytics. This way, you're able to view results instantly and gain valuable insights. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough on creating a scored form in Tally.so. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. Thank you for watching and happy form creating!